So we've seen Rigondeaux do this. Oh, sorry, my hood always has to be on. I'm a ninja. Rigondeaux can do this. It's a really important skill. I learned this by doing Vietnamese martial arts called Vo Việt Nam when I was younger. And I can still roll when I need to fall down and drop down. So imagine, right? I'm walking. Oh! Oh, wow, look at that. I didn't embarrass myself at all. So very important that you learn how to do a nice fluid tumble. So today we're going to show you how to do it. So here is my young ninja in training. Come on, let's go. Adonis, he is a young ninja, so he has not earned a hoodie yet. I'm older, so I have one, okay? So what we're going to do is get ready to roll. So what happens is, make sure you don't land directly on your head. You can do either stance, it's okay. Coming down, it's nice and smooth. And then you can sit down as well. So we're gonna keep practicing that until we get it right. All right, let's go. We're gonna do it from a side view now. So coming over here, all right. I'll go first, don't hit me. You're just gonna come down and sit down. Yeah, okay, that's all right. So if you're watching, okay, you're here, and you're just gonna drop down, whoop, okay, and then like say when you're coming up here, you can be like, whoop, bit more graceful though, okay. So proper ninja training when you're coming down is you go, oh yeah. All right, so it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while, okay? So so you're here, do on a nice soft mattress, all right? You can hurt yourself if you're doing this. Don't practice without anyone watching, or don't do this at all. This is ninja training. This is serious stuff, okay? This is not for fun, not for games. This is to prevent yourself from hurting yourself. But first, you have to not hurt yourself while you're doing this. Okay? All right. So you're here. Smooth, 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 fluid. Go directly forwards. Okay? So you're here. Get out of the way, but make sure there's always space for you to do a ninja roll. A little bit better. Hey Dave, look at my ninja roll. Oh. Yeah, ninja roll. Come on. Alright, so you have to erase fear from your mindset, okay? There is no fear, you have to go directly forwards in a straight line.
This is how you win fights.
Yeah, it's true. Alright, so you're coming down, up. No, you gotta land on the base of your spine, okay? Again, this is very dangerous, kids. You don't do this unless you have someone who is able to perform this and is accredited to teach you this, okay? This is so dangerous. Don't even try it at home. This is not even for entertainment purposes. That was
also the easiest way to die and injure yourself in a fight. If that's what you're looking for.
Yeah, you're not allowed to do that. Anyway, so young Adonis, he needs a lot more training to do the rolls. We will work on that a little bit later.